Hi everyone, welcome back to this Grow90 courseX program. So in this video, we will discuss about artificial intelligence timeline. The inception happened for artificial intelligence happened on 1950 with the creation of Turing text. Right after that, for a couple of years, it boomed, and then suddenly it stopped for nearly 30 years. Right, this period is known as AI winter, as the research in that field stopped for that many years. As that during that period, the research in that field stopped, and again suddenly on 1997 with the creation of Deep Blue, that is by IBM, again it started booming. All right, uh, all right. So Andrew Ng says that AI is the new electricity. Why is it so? Because as electricity has changed how we live, right? Similarly, AI will also change how we live in our future. Right? It is changing our life. Right? So what are the things that actually stop AI from becoming a superpower for nearly 30 years? Because mainly of three reasons. One of them is computational power. The computational power was not that great during that period. All right, so that's why it stopped. But as you know, with Moore's law, that with years the computational power increases. Okay, and with years the size of the chips are decreasing. Right. So, nowadays you have GPUs and TPUs. GPUs are used for initially it was used for doing matrix computations. All right, matrix multiplications, additions, and all those things. So it was mainly used for gaming purposes. But right now, with the boom in machine learning, it is mainly it is now used as machine learning. It is used for machine learnings. All right. So if you don't have GPUs in your CPU, all right, or TPUs, then don't worry, you can access them using AWS, GCP, or Microsoft Azure. This you have to pay, right? And if you don't have money, then also don't worry, because you have Colab and Kaggle, which offers free uh, like GPUs, right? So that's why Google is blessing all the AI researchers, right? So the thing is, for artificial intelligence, we need GPUs, right? We can't do training in CPUs, right? So with the free GPUs, now everyone can actually do research in this field. Even if you don't have PC, you can use your phone and use as website mode in Google Chrome and use Google Colab, right? And in phone itself, you can write your code. So that can be done, but mostly it is preferable to use PC and Google Colab. Okay, right. So this is a very good combination. All right. So in our course also we'll use the same. Right. So with that, basically, now everyone can access free of cost computation. All right. So that's why nowadays this is not a restriction. So that's why it is booming. Now the second thing is data. Artificial intelligence requires data, humongous data, in order to train the model. That amount of data was not available during that period. Right. Now you have humongous amount of data that is generated every minute. You can see in this statistics in this report, every minute 300 hours of video is generated. This many posts are posted in Facebook. So many things are actually created, right? And with the development in IoT field nowadays, with sensors, a lot more data are generated. So we don't have this issue anymore. No more issues in this. All right. The last part is research. Initially, there was very less number of people who used to do research in this field, but right now there are many people. As you can see, you are among them who are very much interested in this field. So you have many people working in this field, all right. So this is also not a constraint for now, all right, for this period, right. It was a constraint for initially during 1960s, right. But now you have CVPR, a conference for computer vision. Right. There are ICML and IPS. So these are the conferences for artificial. There are many other conferences, but these are the major three. So you can see that in the research is also um, so research is not anymore any constraint for the boom, right? So that's why it's booming again, and it's continuously booming, not stopping anywhere, right? So that's the timeline of an artificial intelligence. Hope you understood, and we'll see up in the next session. Bye.